This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix the unable to load storage info error on iCloud. So if you're facing any issues with your iCloud storage, follow these simple solutions to fix iCloud storage not loading problem. So the first solution is log out of Apple ID and log back in. Open your settings, tap on your name, tap on sign out, enter here your Apple ID password, tap on turn off. Once you sign out of your Apple ID, sign back in. And then check the issue. And the second solution is free up your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, it may be the reason of this issue. So go to General, iPhone storage, and all you have to do is just delete or offload unwanted apps to free up your storage. Also, you can delete useless photos and videos from your Photos app to free up your storage. Then check the issue. And the last solution is reset all settings. Go to settings, tap on General, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your iCloud storage not loading problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.